now. Okay, first, when it has this nail, you have to face it, put the nail upside down. Then stack it like this. And then grab a hammer, then whack it, like a whack-a-mole game. But if it has two nails at the side, if it has two nails at two sides, do this. And also do stuff. Just pull them out. This is quite heavy. It's quite hard to do this for a while. There's no way I can hammer it. Blocks to go. Look at it. Look. Now I am going to proceed. Just a minute. Here we go again with the nails. One, I can use these. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 blocks I still need to put. And be careful. I'm going to use this. 6. That was so tiring. Now I'm done. So, bye-bye, guys. And don't forget that helping is fun. I love you all, guys. And I still need more materials to create more. Dad's gonna do this. But by the way, done for now. Bye.